Hey everyone, my name is Sarah and I'm a Toronto-based letterer and designer. Today I'm going to share my knowledge of the ruling pen with you. Maybe you just got a ruling pen and don't know where to start, or maybe you've seen this style of calligraphy before and you'd really like to try it yourself. Either way, I'm going to share some techniques and how you can actually make your own pen so that you can get started right away. A ruling pen contains ink in a slot between two metal jaws that are tapered to a point. A ruling pen is a drawing instrument used with ink or drawing fluids. It was originally used with technical drawings in engineering and cartography, but today you can see it in expressive lettering and calligraphy. In this class, I'm going to show you a few different ruling pens, some techniques I've learned, different inks you can use, and how different surfaces and papers can change the look and feel. I'll also show you how to create your own cola pen, how to maintain your pens, as well as some inspo and recommendations.